How to send location on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp and make sure to log into your account. Now go to the Chats tab and open a chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. Now tap the paperclip icon at bottom right corner. Choose location. Now WhatsApp will detect your current location automatically, and after that you can easily select the location from the list as well. For example, if I want to change my current location, I can tap on change your current location and the location will be directly sent to this group section. So in this way, you can easily share your location or send location on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.